Not how it is written. Mothers, mommy, God bless you. Mothers are the best people. But I just have one issue with my mother. You know that issue? I don't know if your mother is like my mother. My mother is the only woman that wakes in morning devotion. She will sing a song the way it is in her spirit. Not how it is written. That day my mother woke up in the morning and sang Prosper's song in one of her morning devotion. Ekueme, ekueme, we are the living God. Oh. I had to ask my mother how many on a be. My mother wanted to share testimony in the church. She couldn't ask me how the song was written. My mother came up on the altar and confidently sang, "We are the pillar that hold this church. We are the pillar that hold this church." When my mother finished sharing the testimony and singing the song, she left. That was when I knew there is something your parents would do in church. By next Sunday, it automatically becomes your family name. Next Sunday, I was in children's session misbehaving. One auntie wanted to flog me. The other one said, "Leave her, mom." The auntie said, "We be." Say, "You don't know, I'm not pillar children."